Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energies, for your love energies, and your career situation, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards, guys, today, and I'll be giving your oracle guidance message at last. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and we'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle deck, guys, or today we will pick from the Rumi deck, guys. That is our general guidance. So these cards may or may not relate to your situation, but it's a guidance, guys. Maybe some deep thoughts we have in our mind regarding something, some situation. So these cards will answer that questions or anything we are thinking within ourselves, some confusion. So it is a guidance, guys, for our day. It will make us understand our situation in a better way. It will help us to understand. So we will see what are the cards for our daily energies, Taurus. The Hierophant, Eight of Swords in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse. With these cards, Taurus, the energy for y'all, guys, is that in your life today, guys, you feel that strength and confidence, and you are a person who works according to a particular rules or laws. You follow the rules strictly, and you have a particular way of dealing with things. So you go about it in that way. All your actions and all your decisions are based on clear thinking. So you are a person who follows whatever rules and regulations that you have within yourself in any situation. That is the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, you may find somebody, maybe your friend or a family member or someone from your close circle leaving you, or maybe they are moving to a different place, different city for work, or a change of residence for some reason. So you may have that great relationship with that person, and you may feel a little stressed or difficult today because of that, because of their move. That is also the energy here. And also, guys, maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some important communication in form of letters or emails. Something important is coming your way. For some of you all, it may be something good, something positive about your work, some happy news coming in. Or for some of you all, it may be something suggesting some difficult situation, guys. Maybe for some of you all, maybe some delays in projects or in your career, something bad. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Queen of Wands. So with this card here, guys, I feel that in your career you are in a position, you have that creative excellence. Like you are the person of creative excellence. You have that ability and skill to handle your situation, and you are deeply devoted and dedicated to your work, cheerful, upbeat and confident. You are able to handle anything. That is what I see here. So with these cards, guys, something positive with this card. That is what I feel in your work situation. You have that confidence, strength, and you have that determination to handle any situation. So things are going well. That is what I see here. Maybe some struggles, maybe some delays, or that may relate to your relationship or your work situation. Let's see what is the card for your relationship, Taurus. Strength. So with this card here, again a very positive card here for your relationship, guys. In this relationship, maybe with your person, you are able to find that balance, that strength, that calmness in your relationship, guys. Both of you are able to achieve that balance and harmony in this relationship, have that mutual love and understanding, and you feel that you can rely on this person, or they feel that they can rely on you, and you have that determination and conviction in this relationship. You believe in this relationship and you believe in this person. You have that trust on this person, and that is the reason you have that strong conviction that things will work for the better and this relationship will work. So that is also the energy here, guys. And you are a person who really wants to maintain that balance and harmony with all these cards. That is what I see here. Let us see what is your Rumi guidance for today, guys. This card may or may not relate to your situation, Taurus. This is just a guidance. So if we follow this card, the guidance, maybe it will make our day better, guys, a little bit better for us. So let's see what is the card here. The Lion and the Deer. With this card, guys, the Rumi card, the energy is that the lion and the deer. That is what this card is about. So each and every one of us, we have that divine qualities, and we have that qualities that are not so divine. We get angry, we feel that jealousy, stress, maybe some bad qualities all of us have. At the same time, we also possess good qualities. We are able to love others, we help others, and we feel that gratitude, thankfulness to others, and all those are good qualities, guys. So the lion and the deer coexist in ourselves, in each and every one of us. So each and every one of us, we have our good qualities and bad qualities. So this is the time to for us to understand that. So each of us, sometimes we are good and sometimes we are bad. So all that is because of the experiences that we have at that particular time. So that brings out the goodness or the bad side in us. So we need to understand that everything is divine in this world, guys, even the good side and the bad side. So this oracle card, the appearance denotes that you may be feeling some kind of a transformation within yourself, guys. Some new talents appearing. Maybe it would be something that you would have had before, but you would have forgotten now because of your practical life. Maybe we change so much over time, guys. We forget our childhood pastimes and what we liked that time. Because of our practical life, we face so many struggles each and every day. So something, some talents or some interests may resurface today, something which may take you by surprise. So you need to understand that this is happening just to make you more prosperous and um, guide you in a particular way. It is a time of a great transition happening in you guys, and maybe in your relationship. It is a time for you to go for that understanding with this person, that clear understanding. Each of us have two sides, just like the sides of coin. We have the good side and the bad side, same way the other person. So in any situation, whatever brings out, whatever characters are shown, it's according to the situation. So you don't have to worry about that person. You just have to understand the truth that all of us have these qualities in us, and we are all equal, and we have to work towards that deeper understanding. And maybe in your career situation, some new talents, some new ideas may be surfacing in you. You have to watch out for that guidance that is coming towards you guys, Taurus. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Taurus. Thanks again. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.